and very affordable health care, something so important, and we've been working on it long and hard. A certain group right in these first few rows, they've been working very long and very hard, and I want to thank you. We're delighted to be joined today by Vice President Mike Pence. Mike, thank you very much. Take care. A lot of great people are going to be taken care of, so thank you all for being here. Thank you very much. Small business optimism is soaring in our very booming and big economy, and today we give you even more reason for your confidence in the future. 2 years ago, in October 2017, I signed an executive order to increase health care choice and competition all across our nation. Since that time, my administration has worked tirelessly to expand options and drive down the cost of health care for the American people. We took swift action to open short-term health plans and association health plans to millions and millions of Americans. Many of these options are already reducing the cost of health insurance premiums by up to 60% and really more than that. We also have launched a new initiative to bring down the price of prescription drugs. We are holding Big Pharma accountable, and I must say Big Pharma has also been working with us to try and get prices down. And if we had support with the Democrats, I must say we could get it down even more. We've reduced prices now by quite a bit, and this year is the first year, Alex Acosta, right, in 53 years, that drug prices have come down. And I want to congratulate you and all the people that have worked so hard with you. That's really an incredible thing. First year. And we could get them down a lot more if we had a little support in Congress, and I think we'll get that support. I think that has to be a joint. If that's not going to be bilateral, we're going to get that done, and I think we're going to get it done quickly. We're going to get a lot of support. I've spoken to Democrats, and they are in support of it. We have to see if we can actually get them to raise their hand. If they do that, we're going to see some tremendous cuts in drug prices. So thank you very much, Alex. We've asked Congress to support a new research initiative to find a breakthrough cure for childhood cancers. And we've begun a public health campaign to eradicate AIDS in America once and for all, and that's really taking place like nobody would believe. We're looking at a 10-year plan, and at the end of 10 years, we're going to be in very good shape. Who would have thought that was possible even just a short time ago? And we're making dramatic strides in combating the opioid epidemic. We have it down by a number of almost 17% this year. And when I heard it, I thought they made a mistake. I said, you are not real. That's not a real number. And it is very much a real number. So Kellyanne and all of the people that have worked on that, that's a tremendous achievement. And we've worked with the medical profession and with doctors and with everybody. And to think that it's 17% in 1 year, that's a tremendous achievement. Thank you very much. Have the right and the power to choose the very best treatments, plans, doctors for themselves and for their loved ones. They need that freedom. They have to have that freedom. And that's exactly what today's action is all about. We're putting the people back in charge with more choice for better care at a far lower cost. And other people will not be paying for their health care. We won't be raising taxes. We won't be taxing you into oblivion. We won't be raising the tax rates to 90%. I've heard 90%. The only problem with that one, it doesn't come even close to taking care of the situation. So that means you have to go a lot higher than 90%. I don't think that's going to work too well in this country. We've lowered taxes. We want to keep them down. That's very important. Here, it's a very important day, a very special day. God bless you, and God bless America. Thank you all very much.